Alright guys, so I'm back with another video on a toddler vanity set. My toddler was gifted this vanity set from her godmother. Her 9-year-old had this, and so you see the paints and the gunk from the glue, and so I'm just going to take my SOS pad and just scrub it super duper clean to get all of that paint that I possibly could get off, and just scrub it really clean because we wanted to prep and prime it for painting. And I just hope you enjoy this process with us as we get this up and tidy for Gracie. Yeah, see, it's loose. Okay, so you finna, what you about to do?
Tighten it up.
Okay.
Using this Allen wrench. Here really come in handy, especially when you're doing this small work around the house. The right side, see that like so. Get to tighten that way. Don't move. Okay. All legs eat the same.
Fifteen minutes later. Several months later. Approximately 10 hours later.
It's sturdy. Yep, nice and sturdy. Now for me, I was a little hesitant about the spray paint. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I really wanted to paint it, like hand paint it, but my husband was adamant about spray painting. He figured, hey, it's easier, it's quick, we can knock it out. And I think with this paint, it did have the primer that was included with it, but I was like, no, we need to, paint it, just prime it. And I would just paint it with a brush, but he was like, no, watch me paint it, watch it knocks the blue out, because I thought that we were going to need to paint it like twice. We was going to need to prime it a couple of times, and then after that we would need to spray it with this pink paint. I just thought it was going to take a long time, a long process, but it actually didn't take that long. We did this outside the same day. We got all of this done the same day, and we just let it dry outside for about 2 days and just let it sit there to get the paint smell off of it. But he spray painted it down. I mean, he did a wonderful job. So I appreciate him so much for doing that for me. And so even with those drawers, I just painted the insert of it pink and left the out part of it just white. And so you'll see here. And so this is the vanity right here. It's so gorgeous, super duper pink. Gracie absolutely love it, and I do too. And so with the stool, I got a stencil from Hobby Lobby, and I just put it right on top of it, and I got a small brush and just dabbled it all around there with the pink. The top is actually white, and I just dabbled it with the pink, and so it came out like that. So I had another idea to put this little skirt wrapping around it. I really didn't care too much for it. I think I'm going to go ahead and take it out, but it's a little bit, it's kind of cute, And then I began to add on some cute little knobs that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And I add some bling on it as well, all around the outside of it and the drawers and the top part. And I got that cute little knob from Hobby Lobby. Everything I got from Hobby Lobby, guys. So this is what it looks like with the bling, which is a pearly bling that I just kind of put it on it to give it like a little bedazzle type look. And I think it came out really good. What you guys think? So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see some more of these, just let me know. Comment below, subscribe, and like. Thank you.